Are you looking for the top 3D scanning services in Mahipalpur, Delhi NCR? Well, look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to fulfill all your scanning needs. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd is the name that stands out from the rest. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, they have become the go-to choice for many businesses and individuals in the area. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to providing top-notch quality and accuracy in every scan. They understand the importance of precision in 3D scanning and ensure that each scan is done with utmost care and attention to detail. Whether you need a small object scanned or a large-scale project, they have the equipment and expertise to handle it all. One of the reasons why Scon Design India Private Ltd is considered one of the best in the industry is their team of skilled professionals. Their team consists of highly trained technicians who have years of experience in 3D scanning. They are well versed in the latest scanning techniques and use cutting-edge equipment to deliver exceptional results. You can trust them to capture every intricate detail of your object, ensuring that you get a high-quality scan every time. In addition to their exceptional service, Scon Design India Private Ltd also offers competitive pricing for their 3D scanning services. They understand that budget plays a crucial role in decision-making, and they strive to provide affordable options without compromising on quality. Whether you are a small business or a large corporation, they have pricing plans that can cater to your specific needs. Are you in need of top-notch 3D scanning services in Mahipalpur, Delhi NCR? Look no further, because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to meet all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise in the field, Scon Design India Private Limited is the go-to company for all things related to 3D scanning. Whether you need to scan a small object or a large industrial part, their team of professionals can handle it all with precision and accuracy. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from other scanning services is their commitment to delivering exceptional results. They understand the importance of providing high-quality scans that capture every detail, ensuring that your project is executed flawlessly. Their team of skilled technicians is well-versed in the latest scanning techniques and equipment, ensuring that you receive the best possible outcome. In addition to their expertise, Scon Design India Private Ltd also prides itself on its customer service. They go above and beyond to ensure that their clients are satisfied with the results. From the initial consultation to the final delivery of the scanned files, they are there every step of the way to address any concerns or questions you may have. Their dedication to customer satisfaction is truly commendable. Furthermore, Scon Design India Private Ltd offers competitive pricing